You don't make mistakes, Gus.
Oh, shut the fuck up, too. There you go again.
I looked up in my mirror and I watched a man die.
Dude, are you fucking kidding me, bro?
What the? 15, really, bro?
What are you doing, man?
Moron.
Sorry, I didn't mean to put you in the mall. I saw a hole and I went for it.
Stop, bro, you. I can't hit my lover.
If y'all please quit fucking running into me, god damn!
Man, don't jump on the brakes like that.
Well, I thought he was acting in front. I didn't know what was happening with him. Sorry about that.
Oh, good. I got a road up there. What exactly are you doing, 18?
Hey, too, you kind of complain a lot, man. Yeah, man, I got fresh tires, so I'm giving you plenty of room.
He's even said anything.
That's what I thought. Go on here.
Pretty sure the first time was when I had to hit the brakes. Well, I didn't have to, but I just thought something was happening in front of me. So I checked up, and that was the first time he said anything that I noticed.
So thank you to everybody that moved over out of the way that was let down. I guess that was complaining.
I can't understand the word you're saying, pal.
Well, then maybe you shouldn't f***ing comment on what I'm saying.
Well, you were bitching for no reason, so...
Yeah, well, that car dove inside of me. But the only thing I said was, what are you doing, 18? I was bitching for no reason. You're right.
Well, it wasn't just that comment about Mike earlier. You were talking the whole race, man. Who cares?
Right, dude.
I mean, I don't really care. He's the one that keeps bringing it back up.
Sounds like you care a lot to me. Sounds like I'm living in your head rent free.
Mike, you made me go low, low, low there.
I didn't know what was happening there.
What do you mean, man? I was on the wall. How'd I make you go low?
You don't make mistakes, Gus.
Oh, shut the fuck up, too. There you go again.
Really, 17? You had to do that?
Oh, you're sensitive.
Thanks for diving into one there, 17, and basically driving me into the wall.
Is that enough room for you too?
Guess it was my fault you getting that for about the 5th or 6th time.
I was making sure you got enough room, bud.
You just worry about yourself there. Pansy.
You almost did the two a favor when you came up the track right in front of me.
I don't need no favors. I just need not to start 15th.
Did you not qualify?
Mistake during qualifying. It's my fault.
The good thing about these is there's plenty of times to run, and there's always people signing up for them.
If you're waiting on me to mess up, I'll probably go ahead and try to pass me. If you get a run on me, I'll let you go. Even though you've been a smart ass to me, I ain't gonna race you to do it different.
I really appreciate that, sir.
I just gonna let you out here sitting there on my bumper, wait to go to bother me, not at all.
Why would you do that?
You just came across my nose, dude.
No, you dove right into me. I had the line and all.
I couldn't have been any lower on the track.
No, you didn't have to dive into the corner, dude. There's no room for you to make that pass. Like, that is a dumb move, a bonehead move on you. Good job. We're racing clean, racing fine, and you did that.
I'm racing clean, dude. I got an off track just trying to go down low so when you were coming across my nose. I mean, I want you to know, like, I would never wreck somebody on purpose, but I know that it told you car low.
Not sure who that was, but don't ever turn right on an oval, please. Again, thank you.
I was genuinely slowing down to go to pit road right before that caution. It's crazy.
No, whoever wrecked was stopped in the trial. Well, as soon as I was coming by, I was going straight right. At least I only got 31 seconds of optional repairs, but I do have a 4X now.
Hey, so why did we just stop after the restart?
You didn't see that wreck there, buddy?
Trust me, I saw the wreck. I was the first one who got spun because the dude stopped in the f***ing top lane.
You do have a pedal to your left called the brake. When there's a checkup.
Yeah, he checked up and then I got ran over. It's not the one's fault, but he hit me.
Yeah, I couldn't see ahead of you. I just saw you checking up, and there was nothing I could do. I was right there on you.
Yeah, you're all good. I'm not mad at you. Just unfortunate.
Yeah, I never saw him stop up ahead. I was just following you.
Hey, let me back.
Actually try and pass me. You just sitting back there.
I mean, you're f***ing 22 left there.
I understand that, and you can't turn left. Look, you're about to get taken out. Focus on your race and stop worrying.
There was a spin
sideways, one side.
Too busy talking to your stupid ass.
I mean, every time you come off the corner, you're f***ing sideways. So I back off.
Well, no, he was just talking to you, and he f***ed up, I guess.
Yeah, I was trying to hold my mic down to tell you to actually, why don't you get on my inside and maybe you could get around me. But you,
Someone's bumper is there.
until I let you around.
I'm not gonna...
You've been sitting there talking the entire time about me instead of focusing on being able to catch the number one car.
I'm not gonna get on your inside if you're f***ing sideways coming off the f***ing corner.
I'm not sideways coming off of the corner.
Damn f***ing shit. Yeah, dude, yeah. Just f***ing shut the f*** up. Talking all that shit, but who won the f***ing race? You're still in the f***ing back.
Good win, man. Good win. Way to stick it out.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate racing with you.
Okay, since everyone's an American, we have to start with the national anthem before we can start this race. Nolan, do you want to sing the national anthem for us?
I got this. Me,
James!
oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly hailed at the twilight's last gleaming? Who throws stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight? We're gonna wrap this thing up. O'er the ramparts we watch, we're so gallantly streaming. And the rockets trickling, the bombs burst, boom, 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 boom. And that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? Here comes the flyover and the home of the fucking brave. There you go.
Wow, I just saw 3 bald eagles cry. It was so beautiful.
America.
America!
I think I just busted all over my monitor.
And gentlemen, start your engine!
What the f***, bro?
Oh, I am so sorry. What the f***?
Holy shit, dude. What are you doing? Oh my god, what a f***ing idiot. Unreal. Two, you are a f***ing bonehead, man. What the f***?
He's been trying to radio through, but he's having some technical issues. He says he is in...
Can you hear me now? Yo, my fault, but I've been apologizing for like 30 seconds. My fault. Like, that's all on me, but I felt awful about it.
You stupid son of a
I looked up in my mirror and I watched a man die.
Yeah, I already reckon.
Up.
Come on, guys. I don't know why you have to jump the start and put us 3 wide.